amazing people from the world. I greet you all. You're all welcome once more to World Digital. If it's your first time watching my tutorial, I will advise you to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell found just below this tutorial. I want to say hello and happy new month and a prosperous new year 2022 to all my students from the 1st to the 17th, present 17th batch, which just started yesterday. It's World Digital, skilling oneself. So on the e-restroom is the CEO of World Digital by name Walter Ndun. So today I'll be taking you on a very important skill. So right in front of you is a poster that has I call this like a badge that everybody in my institution has one. So this is mine, for example, for the 17th batch. So if you observe, this is my image, okay, and for you to come up with such a beautiful poster, you need to first of all have to manipulate the image in question, okay. So if you discover this image, the real image of the background has been removed, and most people don't know what to do in order to remove the background. So today I will be showing you how to remove the background of an image, and I'll equally teach you in our next tutorial how to amplify the image that you have removed the background. So I would like us to go straight away into the practicality of it. So what do? We access our Google Chrome. This time around we are not going to use an app. We access our Google Chrome, and now I click on this tab. I will type on remove. Okay, this is it .bg. Okay, I click on it, it opens. So this is the interface of remove.bg. Are we seeing with this lady? And if you observe her image, the background has been removed. So it's just a sample. So we have upload image here. Okay, so what we'll do, we click on upload image, and now it will permit us now to go into our gallery where we will go and look for a picture that we will remove the background. So right away, so I'll select the image that I have to upload in order to remove the background. I click on done. So now the website is automatically doing the job. Okay, so the website has automatically done the job. Okay, it has removed the background. So if you observe now, you see that this image now has no background. Okay, so the link to this website will be sent to the descriptive part of this tutorial. So you go there, you see the link, you click on it, and you use the link to be removing the background of any image that you have in order to continue the possession of that image, especially if you are a graphic designer, because graphic designers always have to remove the background of the picture or the image that they are using in order to put it, for example, in a poster or a flyer. If not, you will be carrying an image with the background that was pre-existing on it and using it in a poster. It will not be beautiful. Okay, so this website equally has an app called the removebg app in Play Store, so you can equally go to Play Store, you download the app there. I will equally send the link to that app in the descriptive part of this tutorial. So let's continue. I hope you are enjoying the tutorial. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button below this tutorial and turn on the notification bell if it's your first time accessing this platform. We've got a lot for you. As time goes by, we'll be updating you. So click on the subscribe button. I'm observing you. Click on the subscribe button. Thank you for clicking. Don't hesitate, click on the subscribe button and share our tutorials and comment. Okay, at this level now, what we do, we have download this first download, which is highlighted, which is free, and this other download, full image. So if you have to take this download HD, so it means you have to pay an amount. Okay, But for this tutorial, we are going to download but the free that's the free one. Okay, so you've discovered here also, this is one old job that I did. I removed the background of this my cartoon image and used for a different project. So we will click straight away on this other download. Yeah, you see, you click on download, so right now it will be downloaded. See, it will download it in my SD card. So I click on download. Okay, you see it has been downloaded. Now I click on open. You see, so this is my image, okay, that has been downloaded. Now the background has been removed. If we compare this image with the one that has the background, we discover that there's a big difference. So I will show you that. I will show you the initial image that has the background. Okay, so as you can observe, so this is the original image. You see the background, you see how the background looks a little bit dull, but now with the new image that the background has been removed, it looks pretty, and you can then use the image in your poster and do other things. Okay, so this is the job that has been done. The background has been removed, and now I will show you the final product that I did. After removing this image that I used here, I had to insert it on a, so you can now see the final product. Okay, you see how beautiful it is, isn't it beautiful? So once more, I greet all my students, my learners from the first to the 17th batch. I greet you all, and I'm praying that more students should come in January from the 1st to the 31st of. We always have a free 1 week session to train people all over the world. So just in the descriptive part, you will see the links into our various training groups, so you access it and you identify yourself, so that whenever a new free program will be launched, you will be trained. It's free of charge. We have free sessions and premium sessions. Premium sessions goes for a period of 1 month, and you pay in a token. So when time comes, you will get to us and we will enroll you into our premium platform. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button if you have not yet done so, and turn on the notification bell. If your subscribe button is showing red, it means you have not yet subscribed. So click on the subscribe button. We do that just once. Okay, thank you for subscribing in my YouTube channel, and stay glued. Our next tutorial will teach you how to embellish, to beautify your poster, that you should get shiny, because if you observe very well, the former picture wasn't bright as this. So in our next tutorial, we'll show you how to brighten your image. Ciao, ciao.